The Hifonics ZG-1200.2 Amp delivers strong, clean power that can comfortably drive demanding speakers or a dedicated subwoofer setup in a car. Its Class A/B design, combined with ultra-high output devices, provides punchy sound with good clarity and low audible distortion at higher listening levels. The amplifier includes both line-level and high-level inputs, plus pass-through outputs, which makes it easy to integrate into factory systems and to expand with additional amplifiers. Angled connection terminals and a solid aluminum heatsink help with tidy installations while keeping the amplifier running cool during long, loud sessions. Built-in crossovers and level controls give you enough tuning flexibility to match a wide range of speakers and subwoofers without needing extra processors. Protection indicators and robust internal safeguards add confidence that the amplifier will remain reliable even when pushed near its performance limits.